Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. And I suppose update's not the right word. Confirmation would be more of an accurate term. And the first little confirmation and update, though, I'm going to make it a little adjustment here. And I will say that both these adjustments kind of equalize out. So what do I mean by that? Well, the first adjustment I'm going to make is I'm going to actually adjust this level of resistance up to here. Now that we have more data, it's become very apparent that right around $1.38 is indeed that stubborn area of resistance. I mean, that's where the price got rejected from on Wednesday, and then you fast forward to this morning on Thursday, and once again, the price struggled to get any sort of momentum when the price was up around that area. And that's a good sign. Whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher, a good sign of strength. That would be a sign of bullishness. Now, on the flip side, and to kind of equal things out, now that we have more data, it's apparent that the more so level of support is actually down here around that area at $1.17. You go back to Wednesday, price bounced from there, and then you go to the first 30 minutes today, and then later on in the afternoon, became very apparent that the price has been down around that area, but to give credit's due, it's held strong. But the dynamic there is whenever levels of support need to be adjusted lower, like they were here, not a great sign of power, not a great sign of strength, which means everything kind of equals itself out, right? Because the level of resistance need to be adjusted higher. A good thing. Level of support need to be adjusted downwards. So we're pretty much at just a net neutral perspective. But regardless, these are going to be the two levels that a whole lot of people are watching going forward. And I make that comment because when lots of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And that's exactly what's going on here with the $1.17 support and $1.38 resistance. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.